Here's what no dealership will ever admit. Most of these so-called premium features aren't luxury at all. They're overpriced tech traps. Today I am exposing 9 high-priced gimmicks that'll drain your wallet. Let's dive right in. Number 9. Ambient lighting. Starting us off at number 9. We've got ambient lighting. You know those fancy multi-zone LED strips in your Mercedes and BMWs that cycle through 64,000 colors, supposedly turning your cabin into a sophisticated lounge. Dealers pitch this as the ultimate mood setter. Imagine cruising at night, bathed in soothing blue or energizing red. For just $500 to $3,500, your car becomes a rolling nightclub. Sounds amazing, right? But here's what they conveniently forget to mention. These things glitch like crazy, flickering LEDs that trigger migraines, modules failing left and right at $600 a pop. I don't know about you, but I would rather not spend $600 on something as silly as a nightclub-looking car. And here's the twist. They actually wreck your night vision at dark, distracting you from the road instead of enhancing your drive. Meanwhile, that boring base model, black plastic interior, it endures silently, never breaks, and lets you focus on actually driving. True luxury isn't about Instagram-worthy glows. It's about reliability and safety. Number 8. Electronic side mirrors. Coming in at number 8, we have electronic side mirrors. These camera-based systems in vehicles like the Audi e-tron GT and BMW i7 promise the future of driving. Instead of traditional glass mirrors, you get sleek screens displaying camera feeds. And the sales pitch? Better aerodynamics, improved visibility, reduced wind noise, and that ultra-modern sci-fi aesthetic. All yours for a cool $2,000 to $5,000. But what happens when technology meets reality? Disaster, that's what. Cracks or screen delamination? That's $2,000 to $5,000 per side? And you can't just grab a replacement from a junkyard like traditional mirrors. Wiring faults can blind them entirely, and there's zero cheap DIY fixes. Compare that to traditional glass mirrors that repair for $100 to $300. They are simple, durable, and will work in literally any condition. Screens might look futuristic, but they'll absolutely shatter your budget in driving reliability. Number 7. Power tailgates. At number 7, let's talk about hands-free power tailgates. You've seen the commercials. Kick your foot under the bumper, and voila, the tailgate opens like magic. Toyota Highlanders, BMW X3s, and countless other SUVs offer this feature for $500 to $1,500. Perfect for when your hands are full of groceries, right? It's convenient, it's modern, but it's actually a massive headache waiting to happen. Cold weather freezes these sensors solid when it's below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving your tailgate stuck midway open. Toyota RAV4 forums are flooded with stories of $1,600 motor replacements from overuse. Surveys show only 40% foot kick success rates, and wet connectors create endless electrical gremlins. You know what opens reliably every single time? A basic button or manual lift. No frozen sensors, no gymnastics required, no $1,600 repair bills to get your trunk closed. Number 6. Soft closed doors. Number 6 brings us the epitome of solving problems that don't exist. Soft closed doors. Mercedes, Audi, BMW, and other luxury brands charge $1,000 to $2,000 per door for this feature. They say it gives refined elegance. No more slamming doors, just give it a gentle push, and motorized actuators pull it shut with a whisper-soft click. Pure sophistication. But here's what that sophistication actually gets you. Sensors that pinch fingers or refuse to close when there's dirt in the mechanism. Repairs costing $1,400 each time. Winter grime corrodes actuators, requiring complete panel removal. Unlike manual, mechanical, latches that are basically bulletproof and have been around with zero regular failures for hundreds of years, these multiply your electronic failures by 4. Owners universally regret this upgrade that murders reliability. You know what feels truly premium? a door that closes manually and never ever breaks. Hey, if you're enjoying this reality check and want to avoid getting scammed at the dealership, smash that subscribe button right now. We're saving you thousands with every video. Now back to our countdown. Number 5. Heads-up displays. At number 5, we've got heads-up displays, or HUDs. These project your speed and navigation right onto your windshield. Audis, Lexuses, and premium brands charge $1,000 to $2,500 for this tech, marketing it as distraction-free genius. Keep your eyes on the road while seeing critical info. It's straight out of a fighter jet, revolutionary. Except there's one tiny detail they forgot to mention. Haha, polarized sunglasses. You know, the ones everyone wears while driving. Black them out entirely. You literally can't see the display. Owners are forced into awkward head tilts or constantly swapping glasses. Then there's reflector misalignment from wiper wear that causes ghosting, with module replacements costing $800 to $1,500. Reddit threads overflow with owners ditching them after the sunglass revelation. Digital gauge clusters work infinitely better without the eyewear roulette game, the invisibility, or the glare. Number 4. Massaging seats. Number 4 is one people actually get excited about. Massaging seats. Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series, along with some high-trim pickups and SUVs, boast these incredible seats with rollers and airbags for $2,000 to $4,000. Imagine getting a spa treatment during your commute. The marketing materials show blissed-out drivers experiencing automotive luxury at its finest. Long road trips become relaxation sessions. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, hold that thought. These mechanisms fail within 2 years usually, from motor burnout and air bladder leaks, leaving you with lumpy, broken cushions. Forums report over 40% downtime in Mercedes GLEs, with repairs hitting $1,500 per seat due to proprietary pumps. Unlike basic heated seats that cost $200 to fix, these require complete dashboard teardowns. J.D. Power ties them to 43% of luxury comfort complaints because the novelty wears off fast. You know what provides actual relief on long drives? Heated and ventilated seats without the breakdown drama. Number 3. Gesture control interfaces. We're in the top 3 zone. Number 3 is gesture control. BMW pioneered this in their 5 Series and X5s, and it looked so cool in the showroom. Wave your hand to adjust volume. Circle your finger to skip tracks. No touching required, just like Tony Stark in Iron Man. BMW charges $500 to $1,000 for this tech package, and honestly, it feels genuinely futuristic when the salesperson demos it. But then you actually try living with it? It has a high failure rate. Gloves confuse it. Jewelry confuses it. Your passenger moving confuses it. BMW blog confirms BMW's internal studies literally killed this feature by 2025's iDrive X because that fancy finger circling proved slower than just using the steering wheel roller. Motion blur and sensor glitches make it unusable. Owners waste hours recalibrating overhead cameras that corrupt modules at $600 each. In real driving conditions, it distracts more than it helps. Tactile knobs deliver instant feedback without turning your car into a circus act. Number 2. Air suspension systems. Number 2 is where things get really expensive. Air suspension systems. Range Rovers, BMW X5s, Porsche Cayennes, all the heavy hitters offer this as the ultimate ride smoother. Adjustable for sporty handling or plush cruising. Dealers charge $3,000 to $6,000 up front, and the pitch is irresistible. Why settle for basic coil springs when you can have adaptive, computer-controlled luxury that responds to every road condition? Here's the nightmare nobody warns you about. They fail catastrophically on 78% of units before 60,000 miles. Compressors burn out from constant cycling. Air springs leak from road debris. Control modules fry in the heat. The result? $2,000 to $12,000 in repairs per wheel, and often all four fail at once. These luxury air setups demand specialized tools, ballooning labor costs to over $1,000 per side versus $500 for coil springs. Fleet data shows base coil-sprung versions outlast them by over 50,000 miles with minimal downtime. This premium tech solves absolutely no everyday problem. Standard suspensions handle potholes just fine while keeping you out of bankruptcy court. Number 1. Panoramic sunroofs. And finally, the number 1 premium feature that's complete trash. Panoramic sunroofs. These massive glass roofs dominate luxury trims like Audi Q7s, Mercedes GLEs, BMW X5s, and more recently, many less luxurious brands as well. Dealers push hard for these, adding $2,000 to $5,000 to your price. The promise? Airy, open cabins, stunning views, natural light flooding your interior. It's the ultimate expression of luxury and openness. Everyone wants one, until they own one. But here's the dirty secret the industry doesn't want you to know. They trap heat like a greenhouse, raising interior temperatures by up to 12 degrees Celsius and destroying your fuel economy through constant AC strain. Owners report leaks from clogged drains after just 2 to 3 years, leading to soaked headliners and moldy interiors that reek for months. And the replacement cost? $8,000 to $12,000 in premium models because of those massive glass panels, specialized seals, and labor-intensive installations. Compare that to standard sunroofs at $400 to $900. J.D. Power surveys flag them as top complaint generators, with 78% failing before 70,000 miles in hot climates where they amplify that greenhouse effect without ever actually getting used. Skip them entirely. A simple tilt and slide moonroof provides all the light you need without the liability, keeping your luxury ride dry, cool, free from mold, and actually valuable. So there you have it, 9 premium features that are really just premium ways to waste your money and guarantee service visits. Have you been burned by any of these features? Drop a comment below and let us know your horror stories. And if this video just saved you thousands of dollars in future regret, hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to catch our previous video on 11 driving habits that mess up transmissions. Trust me, you don't want to miss those money-saving facts.